Here's something else to watch out for. If two companies were to both earn $4 million of net income, and both companies had the same financing structure at the beginning of the year of 90% equity and 10% debt, you would still need to know both of their shareholder equity amounts in order to compute their ROEs. In fact, some users average the beginning and ending shareholder equity and use that as the denominator in the ROE formula. In the example below, pretty big company, PBC, started year 2 with $1,000 of assets. In the example below, pretty big company started year 2 with 10 times the amount of assets that not big company had. But it still only generated the same $4 million in net income. Based on the ROE of the two companies, it is clear that NBC is using its assets more efficiently than PBC in generating profits for its common shareholders, as noted by its higher ROEs in years 1 and 2. One deficiency of the ROE is that it only compares net income to common shareholder equity, not to total assets. If a company is highly leveraged, that comparison will result in extremely high ROEs. However, if the same net income were compared to the total assets that management had to work with, as is done in the return on assets ratio, management may not appear to be very efficient in its use of assets to generate income. In other words, use the ROE with caution and use it with other ratios such as return on assets, ROA, to gain a fuller understanding of management efficiency.